Hello everyone, this is Aparna Bhat and welcome to our YouTube channel Abhijna Legal Maps. So I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. So on the occasion of new year, we all might have done some resolutions and law students definitely you would have aspired to become some like judiciary exams or you could have thought to clear CLAT PG exams, or it could be All India Bar examinations, or different types of law examinations are there like bank exams for law officers. So, different types of law exams are there. So, in order to clear those law exams, we need to have certain habits, we need to have certain practices which needs to be consistent enough. Okay. So, what else, which day is more good or better than this day, that is the new year, the 1st January of 2025 for resolving that we are going to do these many things in this day. Every day we are going to develop certain habits, right. So, I would like to mention some of the 5 important resolutions which are helpful and beneficial for law students for clearing their law exams. It could be any kind of law examinations, be it LLB, judiciary, All India Bar examination, or PG exams, or law entrance exams as I mentioned, or a judge advocate general exam, or it could be any kind of like some competitive exams like bank exams, UPSC. You may be having certain topics, right, Contract Act, Indian Penal Code, or a new criminal laws, or CPC. So, different types of acts are there. So, for it could be any act, but if we develop these 5 habits every day, then I think you may succeed, because it depends upon your hard work, but still these are the stepping stones of success. So, let us understand them, what are they, right. Yes, let me begin. See, first of all, daily we have to find some time, maybe about 1 hour or 2 hours, okay. And the basis for our study is the previous year question papers. If you are writing law examination, LLB examination, then why do not you check 5 question papers, 5 previous year question papers, or if you are writing civil judge exam, check the previous 5 year question papers of your state or other states, or if you are writing bank exam, then check those, or if you are writing UGC NET exams, check the previous 5 year question papers, okay. That is the first step. Then when you understand the pattern of question papers, then you will understand, okay, these many sections are there, so these are some of the important sections and all, okay. Based on that you can decide what all topics I am going to study today, okay. So, these should be the daily activities. So, I suggest when you study the question paper, at least try, I will not say like in a whole day you have to complete the entire question paper, no. Just solve 5 to 10 objective questions in the sense they are the multiple choice questions, okay. So, daily solve at least 5 to 10 questions, try to understand why the particular solution is this solution, like what is the reason behind this, or why the other 3 options are not the solutions for this question. What would have, when would they have been the correct options if what question is given. So, think analytically and understand, okay, the concept is this. So, you will get a conceptual clarity if you study in this manner. Otherwise, if you just ticking, if you just by heart those questions, then it is of no use, okay. Try to understand them in a different perspective, okay, why this is correct, why others are not correct, okay. This is one such step, okay. Daily 5 to 10 objective questions you have to study. And when it comes to descriptive questions, what do you mean by descriptive questions? Descriptive questions means like in mains exams, you need to write questions for answers for 5 mark question or 10 marks question, sometimes 16 marks questions, or in like Karnataka judiciary exam, you may have to write judgment writing for 70 marks, okay. So, such when questions are of so many marks for 70 marks, then you may need to study the single question, the same question for entire week, even that is possible, okay. But let us understand idealistically that okay, 5 marks questions we are studying today, 10 marks question. So, pick one question from your mains exam question paper. They are question banks or question papers are easily available these days, Okay, it could be maybe in website or some books also, single publications, different publications are there. You get previous, all compiled previous year question papers of different states in a single book. So, you may refer that. At least pick one descriptive question. Suppose let me take different types of mortgages of Transfer of Property Act. Okay, so what are you going to study? You have to study section 58 of Transfer of Property Act. You need to understand what is mortgage, what is mortgage money, mortgage deed, mortgage principal amount, or different types of mortgages, 6 types of mortgages. So, all you need to study. So, you would be covering the entire question along with the concept also. Okay, that would not be much. Okay, at least 15 to 30 minutes it would hardly take. So, like please practice one descriptive questions daily along with 5 to 10 objective questions. Okay, along with this. So, all these are simultaneous, okay, they go hand in hand. While studying the question, of course, you need to study the concept, conceptual clarity has to be there. So, try to see that at least you read 10 pages. Okay. So, if it is not, if you have studied only 2 pages, then pick some other important topic similar or related to that and read those. Suppose in IPC you are studying about theft. Okay. The theft, regarding theft in textbook, the description and everything, then the chapter could be only of 5 pages. Then pick another concept which is similar to theft. It could be extortion, it could be robbery, or it could be dacoity. Pick that topic also, study there. Okay. So, studying 10 pages for a law student is not at all difficult. Some students are there who will cover up to 50 pages, 100 pages, that too with proper comprehension, they will understand. It is not just they are not just simply turning the pages, okay, they are understanding. So, when that is the case, when that is the IQ required for law students, studying 10 pages daily is not at all a big task. Okay. So, try, because your learning speed, reading speed will also increase, your grasping power will increase, which will ultimately benefit you during your examination. Okay. So, 10 pages if you need to study, it is not like if, but ought to study. Then okay, when we study the concept, sometimes in textbook all sections might not be given. So, what do you need to do? You need to study the sections, you need to understand the Bare Act language. So, daily study about 5 to 10 sections, okay. Maybe in CPC section 9, section 10, section 11, section 15, section 16, these are some of the 5 important sections in CPC. Study them, try to understand them directly without the help of any textbook or any reference, just try to understand the Bare Act language. Some sections are there, they are very small, like they are hardly like 1 line or 2 lines. There are some sections which are very lengthy also. Okay, some definitions are there, which section 2, most of the acts contain interpretation clause. They may be having some 30 to 40 definitions. So, you need not stick very hardly to like section number. Okay, even if you study 5 definitions in the same section, even that would be sufficient. Okay. Sections in the sense like one para, we can consider, the idealistically we can consider 1 para, almost 5 to 10 lines of 1 para, consisting of 1 para would be 1 section. This would be the average count we can take. Okay. So, at least try to study 5 to 10 sections daily, and also apart from that you need to study, you need to read. I will not say study because the topic is very vast, right. So, daily news you need to know, like current affairs or the persons in news, places in news, legal persons in news, legal case laws, or some new amendments which might have introduced for a particular legislation, or general, like some person has become CAG, some person has become Advocate General, some person has become Solicitor General, or some person has retired, some person has died, a very famous prominent personality has died, or some person has been awarded with a particular award, maybe Bharata Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, etc. Right. So, daily news you need to study, like reading newspapers, nothing more. Just if you read, if you cultivate the habit of reading news, that is very beneficial. Okay. So, these are the 5 daily activities which I suggest for all the law students to develop a better legal knowledge and legal acumen, so that it will be helpful for your legal career related examinations, because this is the just beginning of this year and there are many notifications which are going to be released, maybe judiciary also, different states exam notifications are yet to release. In such situations, if you are aspiring for such examinations, then definitely start from now. Okay, begin now immediately, make your timetable, make your own timetable and divide the time, think how much time you have and allot them to these type of activities, and also just you should not be in the book, but also try to implement them. Implementation is the most important thing. Just writing them, jotting down or listening to this video is not sufficient. If you implement them, then it is the actual benefit which you can see. At least this benefit, see, some have the practice of that consistency for 21 days. Some will be having the practice of maintaining that routine for the period of 90 days. So, whatever it is, okay, just stick to your timetable, stick to these activities, whatever comes, okay, try to do these activities, which even I am doing since many years. Okay. It may not be the exact number, but we are being in this learning education or in this field, education field, we have been doing this one or the other kind of activities daily, so that even our legal knowledge is being developed day by day, so that it is broadened over the period of years. Okay. Yes. So, this was all about our today's video, and I would also like to inform you that this Abhijna Legal Maps YouTube channel, this is a YouTube channel especially which is in English, so that those who cannot follow Hindi or any other regional language, because we also have Abhijna Law Series which is a Kannada YouTube channel. Those who cannot follow those languages, they can follow English. So, for that purpose this channel has been launched, and we would like to wish everyone happy new year, and also we have Abhijna Law Series app, okay, and presently there are some Kannada courses, but in this year only we are going to start English courses as well. So, you can download the app, and we also have different study material, different chart books are available there in the platform. So, you can check them, you can download Abhijna Law Series app from Google Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, then there is a different procedure. For that you can contact us at the number which is scrolling here, that is 9036201870. At this number you can contact us, so that we will provide you the procedure for downloading Abhijna Law Series app in placed in app store as well, in iPhone as well. We will guide you for that. And also we would like to say that we are having year end sale which is extended for this year also, that is 2025 January 1st we are extending this, and 30% discount is available on all whatever courses we have. So, you can also log into our website, that is www.abhijnalegal.in, where you can find the website and you can find the courses here. In this courses section you can see that different types of books are there, mock tests are there, anyone can purchase. Those who know English, they can purchase. Not only this, other mock tests are also there. Okay. So, you can apply sale 30, that is the discount code. If you use that code, then definitely this is of use. Okay. Yes. So, thank you all of you for listening to this video and watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe, share and also comment, so that like what topics should we be uploading in the upcoming days. Okay, we would get a clear idea like what the students actually need, what are they in need of. Okay, this was the very beginning video of this year, and I wish you all of you very good luck in all your future endeavors, and thank you for listening to this video. Thank all of you. Take care. Bye bye. Namaste.